Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's begin with opening the browser. In my case it will be this pre-installed one, and then all you have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's go to the bookmarks and history and tap on history. And right here we've got the list of previously visited websites, so just tap on clear and tap on clear. As you can see, the list will be immediately removed. We can also tap on this 4 dots icon again and go to the settings. And here in those advanced section, we've got the option clear browsing data. And as you can see, we've got more advanced settings. So not only we can remove input history and browsing history, just like we've just removed it manually, but also we can remove cookies, passwords, site settings, and homepage news cache. So if you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything and tap on clear data. And then let's tap on clear, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.